Everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to Snapseed background photo editing tricks. So Snapseed face smooth photo editing tutorial is the best photo editor in Android. So you can edit photos very nicely from Snapseed application. First you need to download the Snapseed apps from the Google Play Store. So I already installed it. Now I will show you a photo editing. Click on Snapseed. Then click on plus icon. You can choose your photo. Choose. Here you will find everything you need to edit a photo. So I can say that Snapseed is one of the best apps for perfect photo editing. Now I'm giving the link of Snapseed in my description box. That is link. So if you want to see more good videos, you must subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thanks for watching.